increasingly I find myself occupying a space where I feel, well, if there were God, how would God want this person in front of you to be treated now? This person that's suffered, this person that's been in pain, the inevitable pains of life, the disappointment, the heartbreak, the fear that comes with being human. How would God behave now to that person? Would they think that they're a resource to be exploited, that their vulnerability might make them someone that you can use in some way? Or do you feel that you have a possibility to give now? A possibility of making that person feel well. And what happens when you do that is that person, their gratitude fills me up. The very thing that I was striving for my whole life, feeling like I had a purpose, feeling like my life had meaning, feeling that I was valuable, provided to me through these spiritual techniques. Yes, a new sweater may make you happy. Some new sneakers may give you a buzz for a while. Some pang of affluence may temporarily thrill you, but it will pass. But the gratitude of another person, this is true restoration. You feel it. You feel that like as if it were a string on a harp being strummed. You feel it run through you. You feel your own limitlessness. You feel your connection to the eternal. You realize it. These rituals allow us to inhabit the sublime. The sacred becomes vivified. Oh, well, life's just life, isn't it? You live, then you die. Boom, lucky. You get away from this mundanity, from this low expectation, from this low ceilinged world, and now you inhabit the mystery.